Hello friends, today we're going to talk about measurement. You use a yardstick. You can use this to measure things that are tall. This is my little mini ruler with only 6 inches on it. You can measure with this. You can measure with the snap cubes that you have at home, or you can measure with bears. You can measure with paper clips. Friends, you can measure with anything, okay? I'm going to show you some examples right now. I have a Lego man. I have a cat. I have vegetables. We're going to start with vegetables. And I'm going to start on this side. When you are measuring things, you go from one end of the item you're measuring to the other end. You can't start measuring in the middle because then you won't know how tall or how wide it is. You have to go from end to end. So let's measure the potato, and we're going to use my little ruler. And as you see on my ruler, there are inches. These represent inches. So from here to the number 1 is 1 inch. From here to here is 2 inches. From here to here is 3 inches. Here to here is 4 inches. And from here to here is 5. And here to here is 6. So whenever you measure something, you put the very end of the ruler on the line. And then you go to the very end, just like I did here. And look, the potato is 3 inches long. 3 inches. Now, if I want to measure that in snap cubes, I do the same thing. I start at one end and I go to the other. So this potato is 1, 2, 3, 4 snap cubes long. 4. I can measure it with my paper clips too. Same thing, go end to end, and look, it is not quite 2 big paper clips long. When you're measuring things, you have to be sure to tell people what you measured with. Otherwise, they won't know. Like I'm telling you, this is not even 2 paper clips long. Okay, let's look at the corn. Ooh, the corn is really long. So I'm going to use my measuring ruler again. And I'm going to put it on the very end and go to the end. And as you see, the corn is 5 inches long. 5 inches. But I wonder, how many snap cubes long is it? Let's find out. Same thing, end, oops, to end. And it is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snap cubes long. So I'm telling you the corn is 7 snap cubes long. I wonder how many paper clips long it is. Again, I put it at the top. I go to the bottom and count 1, 2, almost 3 paper clips long, my friends. Like I said, you can use a ruler, you can use yardsticks, you can use your bears, you can use your snap cubes to measure anything you want. I'm sure that your teacher is going to be talking to you about measurement really soon in small groups. Now, I did talk about the yardstick to begin with. Look how long that is. So if I want to measure something that is tall, too tall for my snap cubes, I would use this. Whoops. And I need to put the 1 at the bottom. And I come right to the top. And it's telling me it's about 21.5 inches tall. So this table is 21.5 inches tall. I'm sure you could use snap cubes, but I don't think I have that many. But that's what you would do with your yardstick. Measure something that is too big for a ruler or too big for snap cubes, or too big for your paper clips. All right, friends, we'll be talking to you real soon about measurement in small groups.